reading and reference of business. To my good colleagues, we have here in attendance at the gallery, Police Colonel Wilbert Bocado Parilla, who is the OIC of the Iloilo City Police Office. If I may, I would like to move for the suspension of the House rules in order to welcome our distinguished guest today. So move.
It has been moved and seconded. There are no objections. Motion is carried.
Colonel, may I invite you to take the podium here and kindly say a few words. Thank you.
Colonel, welcome to our session, and you have the floor.
Good morning, ma'am, to our honorable presiding officer. Honorable lady.
Blab na lang.
Sorry, ma'am. And to other members of the City Council, ma'am, sir, good morning. I am Police Colonel Wilbert Bocado Parilla, a native of Taboylan, Cebu. Yes, sir. I am from Cebu, Cebuano. That's why the dialect is almost the same. Although I can speak it properly in the Hiligaynon, but I can understand kasi konti lang yung diferensya. That's why I speak in Tagalog sometimes, but I can understand with the Hiligaynon. And my first assignment after the graduation from the Philippine National Police Academy, I am also a member of the PNP class of 2002. I was assigned in PNP SAP for 4 years right after my graduation. And I was assigned in Northern and Southern Luzon. Then right after that, I was already assigned in the PRO 7. I was assigned in Cebu Province, Mandawi City, Lapu-Lapu, and Cebu City. That's the time also that, and I have with here is General Relado. We worked him before in Cebu City Police Office. He was the chief of the theft and robbery section when we were in Cebu City Police Office. And I was after my stint in Cebu City, I was assigned in the Highway Patrol Group 7. I was promoted there as the colonel, the rank I have now. And then I was also transferred here in HPG 6. And that's also the time that right after 1 week na diri ko sa HPG 6, General Ligan was also assigned here. And I was transferred in the PRO 6. Yes, ma'am. So I'm very much thankful, ma'am, for the time that you have given to me to introduce myself to the council. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Colonel. Yeah, pwede. Picture siya ko. Oh, sige, yeah, yes, you may ask questions, Councilor Cabaluna.
Colonel, mayong aga, may buntag.
Yes, sir. May buntag, sir.
Your appointment now is OIC or is it already
OIC, sir.
OIC?
Yes,
no?
sir.
So, but we're expecting that this will be what you call that, formalized as actual appointment already.
Hopefully, sir.
Hopefully. Okay. So, we just like to express, because your predecessors, the last two, were really very close to us also in terms of work engagement. No, so I hope you will be the same. We have experienced that they do, if they can, attend our committee hearings, respond to our messages, especially if it's really for peace and order concerns in the city, and give their inputs, no, especially with what's happening. No, this council is appreciative much of direct line with you, and hopefully when it comes to addressing peace and order concerns, you will also be prompt in giving us data and information so that we can also respond with appropriate ordinances and laws to help you as well. No? So this is just an expression of what were the best practices before, and I'm sure you will also put in your own best practices, and we're looking forward to working with you, Ernel. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I am very much willing to do that, sir, and even to give update on the city's situation on the peace, and especially on the peace and order of the city. And anytime, sir, you can call us, and I will leave my number, sir, with the secretary, sir, if it's okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Much appreciated.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Councilor De La Gana, you're recognized.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
You have a very big shoes to fill.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to ask one question, or two questions. Are you married, sir?
Sir, for the record, sir, I'm a widower, sir.
Oh,
Okay, thank
at
you.
a very young age, huh?
Can we have your telephone number in case we need police? The good Councilor Irene Ong wanted to have your phone number.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
so only Councilor Irene Ong.
And also all of us.
Okay.
And on behalf of the
To be
City
clear.
Council, sir, welcome to Iloilo, and hindi ka naman mabaligya kay kabalo ka man magano. Hindi ka mag-Ilonggo. So welcome to Iloilo, sir. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very
Thank
much.
you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Not only Iloilo, we're also called the City of Love, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aw. Yes, Councilor Yang. May you find love here, sir.
Good morning, sir. I would like to ask, is this your first assignment as a city director?
Yes, sir. This is my first
Sir.
assignment. And
So-
mostly, sir, for the record, isang beses lang mag-city director. It's already a blessing if you can be chosen as second director for the second time.
So, how old are you now?
I am running 50, sir. 49, sir.
Okay. How about how old is your mother?
My mother is 83 years old, sir.
83?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, are you a traveler?
Yes, sir.
So, you must know how old is your mother.
419, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are no more questions from the members of this August body. Can we have a photo with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.